back ya da mu ina wa say hi Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so megiri say bibia ekokama ede ma bra so say pensen ene ma hodo no ma ba ma menka oni ma me we quickly na fi yento aso ma me wo hye nana ya amono jamfo a me ma me prekope ewo patase depo wo shop honom ontiapo ma me ma speedy recovery ana kumasi ade nyina charity catering services also anopay good morning to you mama yenkoja eye kwabna edu do no friend Santa Baron ye kasa de ne maame oba pen Florence Abna Chumwa Edu 98 years ene maame ba pen Professor Dani Kofi Edu on also 72 years na say oba pen Florence Abna Chumwa Edu ne ba pen eye Professor Dani Kofi Edu radiator sa from nyame adoma meme de anim ye ewo Sejimase Presbyterian Primary Park anasa hihye we because 1 week observation no nti hye so anapa no nwotwe kopem se wan kasa be kra busua se woko ira kwabnedu Santa Baron yakọ onu nuanu mina ye mam hyeden ebreti sei mu onyame mam ahoden ene akokodru to stand na ohun mobo na bibia nko kama emfama munti monko ka no ho na mema eye abusuafo nso yakọ du sabre we dia momfa ncheme na na akwaya nyoma bebre abusuafo yakọ atoto o London oni onua ba eye Ama Grant ana wono so aka eye nana amakoto or USA nana akua afri apia or UK nana amasewa apia or USA Mrs Stella apia poku so or USA ana Mr Frank apia atoto ono UK Mrs Flora AJ Mensa Kumase ohinire eye ama pokuya wo USA ana ama penny Grant wo USA ana fe ama kakra Grant enso wo USA ana fe Mr Eugene Kwabna Ofori so wo UK mo ma me da for me ma oba penny Sophia di say our friend sister akua ayemsem se minya no correct ya bo fancheme akua ayemsem but Sophia edu say na Donald friend oba penny ready to say friend ti hihye ne say onyame ya adoma February ne de toso edu nwotwe ene tumpem Trinity Congregation Presby asafonum ewo bomso anopa nonum eye black atade tuntum de ehye na afi yakope ne krabia wo sepe wonsuano Royal Cemetery na de kwasia da no so no ya ba sorry wo Trinity Congregation Presbyterian asafo ewo bomso atade ne fita na ebusua tenase ewo eye Jubilee Park I be Prempa Assembly Hall 1 to 6 p.m. Also wajibra ohwe bi mame na asese biribia da ohwe Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so onyame ya adom a obesa akogina Ablekuma Central na odigidie ene ahobrase ne nwuma ade de na sa akogi is among the few people aba Ghana and say usema titiri nkra ha say uyini free ma enyi wafa eya homanum saa de abedu bebia wadu nti onima bakosem oyankrani mapa ana waye mrashi bidwani pen na watena committee ahodo so mrashi bidwam so pen ana lance nso ho nkomo so wadi bi pen ana assembly so ho nkomo so wadi ho pen ana watena tira bi so pen nti ose ebre no so a obesre adehia wono wo Ablekuma Central se esan se waye bi pen ti no ojidi said this time round esi ahini for more new patriotic party metinase na the bigger picture no so na akwa the national elections no adehia wa Ablekuma Central so asatina se amana be candy for e o sabia mesro so ono me ya adwene dia enyina yanyi ntumi sa no peye ma ne nyamfo Ebenezer Nete eye afishapa ene akwaba owo
wine afishapa
na bibia e kama
Anyami go social.
Bedwam so ba so achepa.
Ba so achepa papa. Wa oni mi akasa ma sorry ba. Dominic. Ona wa yi mi esi nche.
So be mo ba kwa ya di mu.
Nti na mpese me report ni my moderator.
Okay.
Say yes ma sorry ba na so obo mi ye.
Obo ye bro.
Nti ensa dia. Ye ndi membership card no. Na ye mpe bibi mfa ni nche. Ba hu say ye oba so a ebe na oba danso man. Oh.
Eti wo be so.
We so for camera me fi.
Ayi apostle so apostolasi adai.
Exactly. Also, obe for me feeling so de akọ.
Di baby a ofa bia no.
Be chi no.
O sie mu ho no. Na party adwuma boko.
Anyame Adom oban.
Gusu ehwe de ko.
Ye gusu pa.
Nyame Adom wo psaba.
Nyame Adom a ye be saba.
Any PSC be campaign. Say we are crisscross. Parties no wait me ko support you, no wait me ko. One support you here na omu use against you. It's any PSC campaign manager.
Oh, say any PSC me amenyu penny no. Oh, nti me pese oba no de campaign no aba be den. Aba my campaign for no. Oh, na etimi ya ejuma.
I see.
And then me ka say on say oyi abodwene so I fine boy pa o. I didn't see onya sika top bid nti very say oyi na bodwe.
The campaign back on them. Was it blade the crowd what's the mic kana?
Is it what of blade?
Be a family. Any bakwa
yeah.
Better than him be in your and the platform we in platforms multimedia and the man akwa na man official pan so and also very focused, very humble, committed towards the party or the party and or GDC the party. So this is the time. As I said, Ghana for children. A mom say akonya na say omusa mra ba mu bi na woni betina enchinchim. Go mo dwuma mo to say erade bagistia no. I'm wondering say stia no mogia say bamusa o beti me chinchim amana hwe ba bi ese fata yi. Ani makwa ba bi o.
Yeah, jaw me.
Oh, here I say 26 ambulances valued at 4 million yet to arrive to support COVID-19 management. We are one of the NDC people. I'm not cassetia COVID in the past. Sikasune bemuno. Amanfobi as a mo ye COVID. Honsem amanfobi as a ye COVID by. If you them say amanfobi so I COVID news we hold you pa. But no, we am here Dominic. We any place ye who or press conference. Na ohwe dia akosu ya ebinom so quickly about here because query, you know, they responded to the query but the report did not capture the query. We cannot go by what the report is saying. Nti hunu say eno so be wo wadwene mbra obedi nkomo about some of these things. O party want to say
Nyame Adom amemfa kwenye so na minchia dem say afi yenhia okwanche
yes yenhia okwanche be
programs yenhia
yes
be ma unso afi shia pa
afi come better ye
even so the yenhia achi papa eduma wa ya achi
papa
na do ade on kai wana
Oh we go find a
say they wa ko busa direct question no but say almost out on tech almost operations say be a reshuffle here and never be na say 28 ebe I don't know what that
but emenya abade
no say nipa two ni asesa Katie Hammond any Brian Champion e dey omo beka na dey amin antan so akọ Charles Eduboy hono no
there's the near reshuffle a replacement
well replacement and
government spokesman on the reshuffle
replacement among the nania ma kui asemo mami nchi ahefo
yeah
na say na okay no ma hinem say Ghana de bia yo prempren abaye to ya aban aye to abama no wa hwe nyame ani mana wadi enwambo because and then abededi se be kata jene proy adore na kufu ado aban ama sebe ohu ayafo kramobo ohu ayarfo mobo na ohwe auditor general report says munsem ne senate kona etifana oman ultimu say enipa bi ye candidate for prison niema aban baya president Gofo Abreso obakai causing financial loss to the state Ura Victor Salome okay menkai ne ya obusham fancheme na nyame mfane crency a won mu binum president Gofo abank twon aboso no There is a saa pepepe na say ye the presidents etom dia Ghana mra ye be gina so de e di no kware pa dia anhwini ya e binim beko prisons
we dey ekoso na
se ne ekoso na e bi beko prison because all report mama bibia nim a wo kan kosi ase a ogbo beto yem wo so e bufu papa ye fika saa covid ho asem wo Ghana ha enye ne se sika ba omanyi mu no enya de ese nka po yetimi gina baabi eyi ebo covid yeyi ne boni aye na me kesi what ase because a bad inshira bo mbre Ghana o sha manga we mostly affected China, Italy, our friend then Spain, Brazil no ne ade ade a o de tutu Ghana ho a sebe asem ko Nyankopon odi en ho afofi papa ya ntimi anfiri bibi titru bi e chen so even though nipa ba kokora no ehwere ne nko a ya asem kese but what de tutu man bi ho a ka yan di de Nyankopon di ma yen enu achi sika botin a ebedi yen sem senkampo ye de ni tu nyame anim edwen omanfo sebi o tibia ye wom ene baabi anka ebetimi de sika no ate so man yi akwakodu a oman eyebufu papa denti hwe us ambulance ahen na mai
26
exactly of paragraph 121 ewo make us say the same minister now or ye in charge of that sector no health minister ojina court against Orura Atufosin honorable Dr. Atufosin say wakra ambulance now no the nepe ako issue letter of credit or whatever when it ya say ade a wo yi ni awore ye no eye tan eye bufu ano ye show chen ni a ojina court di ho dance o ma ne o hwe report ni ma eno na mri bi na ka say akwati say Orura Furata or the Ghana yen chebre edi egwere ye wa ha no ba be ye nkuntai no ye no oh yeah about less than 50%, that's about 40 something percent sike bedi ne nsem fa covid ho na enya fi African Development Bank na enya fi European Union na enya fi IMF na enya fi ankra nchen obebu nkunta e cover less than 50%. Ochire say no need COVID related issues and COVID related expenditure. Owie no 50% and over na kai no. Ye bisa no say e wo hen no also de no balance budget. Na say no ka dey nen. Te no de o de ye niam emfa COVID ho hwe. Ebinom susu say da bi sika na nkasa kra na ogina so e ye nkontan no. Kana na bi wom. Wani ho no kware papa. Enti ye mu binum free for parliamentary inquiry. We kai pa. Also there be a hu here na auditor general bet ma ye ni nyina ma auditor general no yem onkasa po yem fa ne sa o mo appointee hwe finance or debtor bond si etimi tua sika e ma nipa bi a wontimi nya adwuma hwe o ma hene one you can 11 million Ghana cedis a what the quantity can be ahen about 110 billion yetimi di tua nipa ka e wo table so table top honor certificate. They say you be I don't know so me am ask me say abasunti ya man certificate even though e wo nkuntai bumu no enye sika sa botin sa anka sika fia bi go fie de ye de da wasinti je som sa 11 million plus Ghana cedis o ye di tua nipa ka wo table top ye ni any records to that effect na so sabi o manfu sika say na Kufa do sika anka be sa say Dr. Baumia sika anka be hwe Ghana fu anim abo yan abro sa o man say sika anya ye kura no e betimi a provide school dormitory ama mo fra bi anya baabi do ntiato ana classroom ama mo fra wo SHS a wo ho chiro a wo ene double track a yekofa bae no ya pe kwan foforo de ama sage no nje na obehe form a mo fra ni nyina from form 1 to 3 wo nyina go school at the same time so ya we so form 1 and form 2 fokwa na form 1 40 form 3 80 so form 3 for by so form 1 fokwa 20 na form 2 fokwa 20 18 one rebrand friend traffic system no blue and green and yellow ni ade no HSS still or how na eco fast double track no by no o man ni ntimi nso ano ye yentimi so ye need enough facility e bet my house mo friend nyina ye the 11 million cedis ado to pre aden hwe what's okoje dan bi wo adakuru so what hon komo it about 15 million e dey akọ hayo bi dan a onsi nwie ye 15 million Ghana cedis 150 billion. It is a Ghana man a bank as no so meto asase na ka mesi sadan na anka anye ye kura no maybe half of that amount. E bet me aso sadan ni si. E your man ni sikenti. Ye nye sika no funti. Ye ni keke. E hon konta nwuran basa. Na me case so so man ne. Ghana for as if say ye nye angry enough. Ye mbufu ye. O man abang ni papa mani hu ye. Because e bibia e ya we pa. When you say ska bebrebe nyina achi. When timi antoto ne ma yi. Hwe University of Ghana Medical Center. Sika he na go. Such facility. Sika ko less than $400 million. Anamebwa. About $200 and something million. It is sika ye hwe go potoi. Anye ye kura no ke betimi asi such facility be ahoro bi sa kwa nan. Yen se ba ko northern sector. Yen me si ba ko middle belt bi akumase. Yen fa ba ko me kankran di ho. Near some possible some cool. A man for healthcare or pa, yes, was Suabiko Dubai, yes, was Busia Pesica, the Obico India, the Obico England, no, and can be a bit me as well. A year near die soon, President Mahama, a strain. Into my OC, University of Ghana Medical Center. And then Yankopoya Adom, na baby Kakra one. Who bet me I import to medical doctor no? If baby our first of Babe conductors operation am organ manai. Facility say. Yenye sika say ye betimi a expand and ye besi bia ka ho ye dey go to pray ye du en num keke abanga otisu dwen a onwin Ghana ho ene adwempo a me nim adwempo a na go fado wo oh na me de tutu ho ano won ne ye wo Ghana so na kwete uka legend sa ho fina okohye so ya bonamfo wo se na no ye den pa
komo de ne ho
no won ne ye no ya kwese sa or say, Obodamfo no completely. Enti ni susu na doso. I say bibia. One year ya kwasesa. Because why infest your man no to the extent say ye ni bibia you betim dey try you. Sikasema ayebasa. Corruption I do create say no komwa. Aden bone ben yaye. O mind bone ben yaye. Anka na go fado website ncho amonso mi hwe ni emu bi susu say oh papa de wo hwe ne mfe said we do na say no ankasa ka no anka me oye Ghana sa e di asa aberema bi no na mi tren aberema bi afi no wasi so enti no better so to na no bu eden so better tie so to no bi am obi da say singlet no better sa pepe no ya oman repo aman left right center adan bone ben yae hwe o hwe report no man in some womb pa Hesika Ministry of
oh is it on native
as a sorry because one shame ya so na so nitima magana for so one shame sa pa say no shame na one shame sa na so nitima magana for as a story me pa
here tema at this point
yes as a so who say
for Ghana
but bia na ko fa de Ghana kwakodu no o ma hene nya de a e ya hodwo hwe ebini wo ma na ahemfo just won't corrupt almost everything ahemfo sika wode ma ho no say unsubstantiated amount of 451,800 was disbursed directly to the paramount chiefs of 6 regional house of chiefs na sika no near eka na nanom nsa 154,161 balance na kana way ye de nananom ding bokron ye de asofu ding bokron aden bone ben ye de nananom ahemfo ye de won ding bokron say won ding over 500,000 no emu 100,000 pemekoy 400,000 akada way o mahene se Ghana ye omanga ye ni abra Ghana yo ma ye ni abra anka sa di say if you say near petro young prisons what's name
because ye chere continuously na fi yen for 2 million ehu de betim de na afiri entetre aprisan
ne aban na kasa na dai so ne senko obesore da kono bi so ma yituo ma tu afi so na nka wada nyame ase hallelujah na akope baabi ahye na sika sebe nga wi akogo baabi won nya na die ye no betna ya na se twon fam ye de mra di won mra na e de owura Salome call prisoner sebe asem ko okofre ne nkwan e se ye de sa mra ni di nipa bi wo Ghana Adom bone be niaye
Robunete what is the challenge he said ya munisu abrimu kakra bi along the line in said kakra bi na kamasa TS lane but things fall apart the center is not holding
my me that say my menchia ahwefo nyina na menchia menwa peni PCA ene onyina say na me bisa ono na say me do ka na also de meka me do ka won sama body hu na also de meka say
sama body
no ka
sama body
and also de meka for invitation hu
exactly
because me odie say me can more so me when it comes to communication and also my promoting odimu akotin from 2012 no waso me mu nti odi e me nwa penny pre.
Thank you.
Omayeni on the issue of Auditor General report aba and me I thank God say this time around no the Auditor General any parliament are very proactive with reporter eba. If I'm not mistaken, this is 2019-2020 Auditor General report. Mine, I've had opportunity to Martina Parliament for 4 years. Parliament for 4 years, I'm no.
One discussing ye and who your mother.
Me catch you say now we're discussing about 5-6 years reports. So sometimes no Utumiko committee meeting. Now the Lands and Forestry Committee report about
2002.
And unim ya okanfa ho. And you have people na omo committee so at that time and said no omuni parliament bi omo committee so. So sometimes no the issue need to defend it no and ask even to ask the agencies no questions no unim dia oka. So for me I thank God say the current administration the Auditor General report Auditor General nankasa no to me are very proactive for parliament to get your friend is saying
the current ones.
But
that's a plus.
That's what I'm saying. It's a very big plus. But Ube Kaya, the same Auditor General, you can't say Domelo and Kono. People were castigating against this man. So Baba the bid of government. And and then it has come to reality say is working professionally
as an Auditor General.
For us to look into your friend is saying near if it's
reporting.
I'm telling you.
I'm expecting PCA in call for some Bonabaso. Said the Kafan who initially Ninano. Oh, who can say
Domelevo am fast man ko say nye. Na mo den buy.
Oh. That's it. Apart from say the melody, I must say, you even can say
no, we didn't.
Say Kawaka say, oh,
I don't trust it.
Oh, so you matter. So it tells you that there is somebody who wants to make sure say we fight against corruption and any other thing. So I recommend him. And you should also know say Auditor General so Nejuma Oye no suno. The finance ministry also have an oversight responsibility. So it tells you that government is prepared and ready to let Ghanaians know no kwebia ewe yesika semu ewa maimu. When you talk about the ambulance, your friend is saying Ministry of Health. Eka say your friend is on Omoji 26 ambulances. And now let me be some question. Be said, look, we need to ask ourselves. Sometimes you always put the blame on government and politicians. But the point is that share Auditor General reporter. Some of the recommendation or refer to the chief director at the ministries. Chief director at the ministries. Chief director at the ministries. It tells you, say, it is not the political figures now what the ministries inquire responsibility to deal with issues, but rather the technocrats now what also a friend saying responsibility. The question that we need to ask ourselves, ben and they acquire for the ambulance. What was the terms of reference? When are they supposed to deliver the ambulances to us? At what cost? Funny says 2019 ambulance now. You have to deliver the ambulance to us in 2020 or 2021 and buy it. Why has we not received the ambulances within the 1 year and 2 year space now? I didn't say buy. We need to look at all these things and know all these things. But if we just jump into conclusion, ambulance buy, I don't think we'll get to the root of the matter. I always been saying, look, one of the things that as a country is to bring politics in everything that we do. The end results of the things that we are doing. And answer the issues. Look, this other data report, let's pre-assume, say, Bonibia Koso. Ye be no NDC, MPP. But we need to go into details and find out, say, yes, this amount of money, ye nya ewo COVID. You see, ye my Ministry of Education, ye my Ministry of Health, ye my Ministry of this. For me, I don't think say COVID, ya raising COVID sticker. Near my Ministry of Education bone. Because Ministry of Education, your friend is saying PPEs at the schools. The Finance Ministry or the Health Ministry might not be able to procure these things for them. So take this money for COVID-related issue. So I doubt if there's any school in this country, i.e. primary or JSS or whatever. I'll be catching me so PPEs. So it's the responsibility of the Ministry of Education to let us know, sir, we're giving 1 cedi for PPEs. This and this and this and this is what we have done. That report comes to the Ministry of Health. Say, Sika Edima Education, this is what the money was used for. You see, I'm ahim for Sika. Sika Edima ahim for what was the money used for? Was it to engage people in their community? Was it to engage people to talk to them about COVID issues? And I said, then we need to look at all those things. But when you just come into conclusion, say, Obia Disika, Obia say, and we started doing the politics with data, we'll not get to the end results of it. For me, I applaud the minister, the Auditor General Department for coming out with some of these things. There are questions to be asked. There are answers to be given. And I believe that by the time you be beside our questions, no, you answers, no, we all come to a realization, say, yes, your friend is obeying the Sika. If we are finding out, so obey the Sika, and you need to be dealt with, you'll be dealt with according to. But say, Sika call her, and Sika call say, and say, I don't think we will get to the root of the matter. We end up by say, at the end of the all your discussion, say, so be point the Sika. But say to me, go into the matter and deal with the matter just as it is. I think it will help us. The Minister for Health is still at post as a minister. This is the report, Abba. Some walk more the same direction.
Yeah. No,
last week me call
Health Minister.
Oh yes. So all these know about minister. You see ma unya skawi ekosi saying. Usi isolation center what has happened to it?
Well, I think the ministry has even responded. I've seen
so
it.
You take us there and let's see. Say the okasa no ekosi saying. Then we look at and say, oh fine, it is completed, it is value for money, it is not value for money. What do we do about it?
So no fishy deal in vaccine purchase, Ghana Health Service tells Auditor General. So I think amongst some of and the ministry itself too has given a response. I think it would be appropriate, say, almost very proactive, more quickly.
On the issue of the vaccines, I hear the SCAG vaccines 1,000, 2,000. Unim say endro lifespan anameboa say ukoto edro a ya trust ewo ho say edro we by this date no na expire ye give vaccines I be wo nkofo a sebi ye prevent ye ho from COVID. You can, if we are going to buy 1 million or 2 million, I don't expect say we are going to take all the 2 million to come and put it down. I think during the Christmas festivity or before Christmas, Ministry of Health, say workers, they were going to the communities, still educating people, urging people to come and take the injection of COVID-19. It tells you say we are still have more saying vaccines. So if we have acquired for vaccines for 2 million vaccines, now say half of it, they can end by. You say the was to say no can take us through the end or whatever we are fighting for. No, okay, fine. Then we overpaid. And you see, yesterday I was saying something. Say UNICEF and your friend is saying just an ordinary organization.
Can verify.
It's a very big one.
I'm saying you can verify.
Yes, it's a very big organization. I bet we verify. It's a matter of verifying from UNICEF. Is it indeed say government paid this amount? And auditor reports spell it out clearly. Said this amount of money has been paid to UNICEF. Okay, so and they have delivered this amount of vaccines to us.
Maybe in the official capacity, in his official capacity as Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuaje. He says the Ghana Health Service has challenged the Auditor General's report that $80 million worth of vaccines paid for by the government has not yet been delivered. According to the Auditor General, the government paid over $120 million to the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, and Africa Vaccine Acquisition Trust, AVAT, but only $38 million worth of product was delivered. The state agency has made a recommendation to the Ministry of Health to renegotiate and recover the outstanding balance. However, the Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuaji, said the vaccines have been duly purchased, but they will be delivered when the service needs them due to lack of storage facilities. You don't need all vaccines because we don't have enough cold storage for the entire delivery from the supplier. So that is the situation. Dr. Kuma Abuaji was talking to Kwaku Inshira Adom. For expiry, we don't want to keep it. So as and when we need it, they deliver. So that's just about it on that score. You didn't come on say baby. So if
we
are not sure more, they asked you whether you to account for flattering or say at the end of the battle do exactly any baby I cockran to train here see Casano Kaino see here. What the baby?
Yes, you have paid for it. Yes. You pay for it. So when you need it, then they bring it to you.
Different. Okay. Media me the all come ametias in ye kotonu enu onu bo som sei
o se do no want to sky hen
ye tuesika e ba twen
hwe figure no na we say difference be na wo near Auditor General report no mo chen ne okay
o se e branu bia ye hia aduro no na ya heden ya manaba enioma me no di nchiremu ba ye di kan ye ni bia be kora no ye toso bi ekuta expiry de bia ye di beje gue ye nya nyusu na obi kora hia ankasa aka ne yenye yembo ntibu de wona mo ye dada enti se gumu ho a enye ye ka eye mo masem because ene mo wasa hihye no ho afenye be banchire mu ni yi enti ono so ogitu wi a dem oso akase bia me nyi ntume bia we di ento aso because
ento aso mangasa
je ne man
nso bia nim because ntana make figure no I won't get the kind to an upfront. No?
According to the Auditor General, the government paid over $120 million to the United Nations Children's Fund and African Vaccine Acquisition Trust, but only $38 million worth of the product was delivered. Do you 120? And I'll give 38. It's an say na mini storage facility. It's an say na new one so expired. But you go amaso be. Yeah. It was one on tiase. Then na person kawe.
Na person me chere say you hear vaccines. You hear be a 5,000 tons, or as it be a
40 feet container.
Exactly. Back. You may use maybe 6 months time.
The calculation
say a wusika. Wusika. And now we use to I one casa private business.
But Jack, who become that to us?
Got two cigar baby says, see here, say here, Obaka could balance na. I don't hear your man's and you have no. I don't know your man's casa. Say, Untimi Susu who say, my morning in ano, maybe here 40 feet container. Exactly. Yet you are honka. They will Tiano up front. Beyond your Wankasa crowd be here. And now, okay, even how many percent Naba? Niaba Crane will be 30%. The 70% yes, Kakolo war. Anyone you saw. Abba, Omahine. Or in Chimoba, but anyone is a young Chinaman, Sissy, baby, a granonia can. And in the auditor can, Pepe, by 80 billion. A year, my yen to me account for. Pay no, make calculation. 80 million no can, I am passe, and no, yen to me account for. If you know, you say, Makutia can at the moment, San can reach me here, Makuji. You are not to make us a community storage facility. You are not to make us because product may expire. Oh, come on. Ghana pan and you can abassan is resign. Ghana and abassan, you can abassan is resign because cannot bring. Also, go so COVID scan. You be anti-bini. I think Bonne Ben Ghana. Bonne Ben Ghana. Now, yeah, many Eben Kasano. Also, yeah, Miss, I be cry net to say, it be cry net to say, auditor general, auditing. We be some questions, relevant questions. My culture say, in your code, say the papa king. Do not do a new year, almost is not captured in the report. I agree. I agree. Hono, we be reacting. Yeah, who never call. Now, one team can't say, a banger chia 5 million Ghana cedis. I'm a dread master. So I'm finding storm drains. Certificate BN to that effect. A bank's going to answer. So our contract, now execute contract we are. We raise certificate and so this kind of amount. 5 million Ghana cedis. Certificate be anywhere say we raise certificate what this kind of man. This kind of way. I don't know where Ghana sir. That's what me say. Me person be we no partisan. Because when I talk about partisan, the same dead masters. During your time, GHc can say Odom. Later, you can say Ibrahim. Your man is also on one the Sika on the Ibrahim. So let's go put it's good. The thing Ibrahim did, that was part of the process. Exactly. In the challenges, corruption. Say about solution to the problem. Or no, sir, let's not take this opportunity for granted. Ebrasu say, it goes beyond NDC and MPP. Oh, where you are bang and a Ghana for I don't know some politics. On says you know the politics. I dance in Ghana for Ghana. Me support to also support it. I don't see it. Rebecca Dread Masters. You better about the you say, Ghana, and you cannot run away from certain things be overcome. Or see, oh my Ghana, no. They are fire one year boy toto. So what who say no why ya? No nyina tutu eku. Obi afase anu akotwa. Enu na akọ hia se. Obi afase anu akotwa. Enu na akọ hia se. Wo Ghana na se aka wo rebe ho ba. Enu na akọ hia se. Enu na afon afa. Enu na akọ hia se. Se na tia se mo kro kan. O se no kura wo we mu a. Any who can say money. Avena now come na. Oga just say no to me. That's what you say. Me say, oh boy, ko na what to ma. Ano kofa ti. Make us say. Ano kofa. Ono se ye ko bi sanse. Ano kofa Ibrahim. Na me sure say, obetimi atua sika. So be a contract ama ban. No wetua na car obra on register certificate here. But why is that the same thing na o catch say? Yeah. No, fato no kasa mo breso no e na yi e bata ho brebe. I'm sure the question basa.
Yeah, waha.
And not dread master internet. Me dey asa bra na no afa no kra.
I'm not 2 reasons there. Or the TM say bia, ono so the refia bakoseka. Abakosem boa
e dey abedo ya no.
Eboa
abakosem esua de. E dey ya esua hwe ntim.
And what be the problem now? What can I
be timi here ne dey because we asem ese kra no no kra to say nti. No yen ene.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Abakosem na wo kan o and these people nyina mo ye pe. Na ni tima ane dey. Na sabi o ya ho fi
o se ko se e wo abakosem no. Aban we abomodin ama ene omutimi discuss the current administration no. One crack. I don't need dread masters. When I feel like I'm going to be sending one. Oh, I said defense. But even with the dread masters, one kind of bonus issue. Because there be, I don't know, kind of because of money bribia that's on your way bar. Yen share emphasis the Sibrentino. Ama bibia ba, but where dear, he's saying that let it not go like the others. We should scrutinize this one and get to the bottom.
Oh, that's it. So what's the name?
Oh, PhD desire. Whatever PhD desire.
The issue of the buses. Just as Kumaba did. Omayeni, we all buy things. Sometimes you to me call to others so.
But PhD is moving into us.
Oh, Omayeni. But moment bisa PhD. Sanka buses singing na e buy.
Never say
ya. They no beka.
Ono so we expect. So we
then no
PSC so who do
because all the price are assassin kra no odija. Nei ebi kra won ate wo so. Ebi kra prices be na net no.
It probably say that platform so ho.
Omayeni, obekaya.
Because when you're getting
bia wo koto on tem.
Omayeni, obekaya. COVID a hiti pa no. Now, getting vaccine was
another problem. Yes.
Now it was so when your opportunity say, oh, I've gotten some money. I have to get money. Let me go and pay. Oh, let me go and pay. No, even up to today, we are still having some countries. COVID, it was so far.
Yeah.
Uko China, the same. Uko Italy, the same. Germany, the same. So if we have gotten these vaccines, about the go, if on go, that's the question that you was asking.
But in the health, the Ghana health services, in this storage facility.
Exactly.
The products need to expire. Maybe I may my outline with you is that as a professional, a brand because your mind seeker. It's applying it. Let's apply it.
Your mind is seeker. Except me turn no. But only say
public management.
But
that's our
send a PSA kind of say. Na kaya turn say bia abeba form. Sounds as they turn in terms so and so be cost.
Okay.
So there's in and out of it. We need to look at it say na kaya turn no sa mre no a. Ebia December dollar ne ba form no. People were complaining. I'm 750 cities. Me say. Obviously, me, I was a victim because it's Sebi. In fact, less than 5 minutes. And it's 12 cities, 40 pesos. Later, me call about 12 cities. The next day, I call 8 cities. I say, another man train.
This year,
10 cities. Obia no be auto no watch.
The piece is the baby bro because they your life shebi also in crime born way Sasabi. Good your life farm milk depot. Okay, so farm milk depot. Yeah, a lot of your text messages about piece amount for so chiao video much na ya tare hono so PSC no obi dia ba PSC no o bobo gaga o se me gusu super many apre but say wrap up with this one PSC now prescribe what we can do in times like it's like society no we are be a tough form. I don't know whether this administration and almost gatekeepers no a gem or man o hwe nkwada ya wo Krobia Asante Technical Institute. Yeah. And then my kukudu for yen mofra eko sukunu. Following the violent demonstration by students of the Krobia Asante Technical Institute, today, 22nd January 2023, the management of the Ghana TVET service, upon the advice of the Ashanti Regional Security Council, has closed down the school with immediate effect. All students should therefore vacate the campus immediately. The security services will be on hand to evacuate all the students to protect lives and properties. Parents are advised to take steps to pick up their wards from the school. Management of the Ghana TVET service will keep parents and the general public informed on the new development. And the Ashanti Regional Minister is calling for, he says that some of the people are now wanted, some of the students, some may come back quickly, but yes, what's going on? Why will we now tend to, okay, so Krobia Asante school prefects declared wanted. All prefects of Krobia Asante Technical and Vocational School at Asakori in Ashanti region are in hot water as they have been declared wanted by the police. The Ashanti Regional Security Council has ordered for the police to declare the school prefects wanted for them to assist in investigations regarding rioting in the school. Angry students of the hitherto peaceful school embarked on a damaging spree on campus on Sunday as they destroyed everything on site in protest against poor examination results. About 6 vehicles, including 4 government cars and 2 vehicles of their teachers, either had their windscreens smashed or turned upside down by the rampaging students.
I shall say unfortunate. Sabi, ma ya do onko school so onko sun. Obetimi afa mra ahye wonsem. Edjuma etisa. Ensese anka eba. Awofo menye sure se wonim ho bi. Akyerɛkyerɛfo menimara so obenim ho bia because you see wo school no. Na menimu mofra no da so school de.
Also omunyina
won awie.
You see, oh, because Onkwana na wiya na.
Yeah, won awie na oda so.
Onkwana won wo suku a won.
Because me say so examination fail abi.
Onkwana ne tron sohwe na emu anu results na buy no.
Internal examination.
Anya omoni so.
Well, internal examination.
I should think so.
No, the omo SS results are by and they are saying say omo ambomode and they are saying that even their predecessors, so their performance is not good. So based on that, that's why they decided to.
So here na no one nyamazo. One teacher for
that's a question.
Because assembly no head baby assembly feeling ne kofar ba no hu ne kan yi.
Your man on this
omo decide this obeso yes. And you hear ntoko na ye teacher for ne. E bia mofra no e demonstrate against e bia teacher for no boa. Bia wenyi won yam nkyere won ade.
Exactly.
Yeah, but se sa na tia se enye kwan a obefa so akanini. Enye kwan a obefa so obe say school ni ma. What that's all school mo. Into say near many we are. Then bio na obetimi da koso e de asuade. Enya ade a ese say yes so. But it's a culture of impunity, no man. Adosu.
Abros.
Adosu. Because na ya kan ya kan wi. Say with the contract am obi. Wona rerugu. So in see isolation center. It will cost about some I think 15 million Ghana cedis. Now contract and second 4.5 million. In the website. No be anti to one and phobia. Aden. Leadership they say is cause. All other things are effects. Because Ghana brand will be in FSU. Ghana near jungle. Now the battle for the fittest. When you're doing a true for young person,
the battle for the fittest.
For the fittest. Yes, exactly so. When you're doing two fans and no crowd no definition. Say, son, your person, you're Ghana there. Oko jungle as an and quite abrabo.
Survival.
And this idea, as I said, man, there were structures, there were institutions. I watch them wrestle. What you say? Nekobasa bang sabi you. Yeah, bang you many be Edom from so. As I said, president, if you can him, and now option was and I be ordinary family council. No, Nyanka said defending them. Yes, on Yampo. And I'm more to me so defending no. Inti obiati baby. Susu se mra nhyeda nya adwuma. Mra nhyeda nya adwuma. Sabi won a wo hwe mra isu. O de asem kodi won anim a. Nya yetiti ni ehuhu. Etwa yi. Inti oman no yesre. Menim se president Kufuor obae no. Obefo oman no baby. na ono yankasa tena no asese o take stock me nim se na ni be so bebe odi Ghana ba be wie na na se na ne renso de a ene o ma no homre so
okay I want to wrap up for us
I condemn the attitude of Minyano Nkumano in the Korea Technical School in respective of their grievances or more. I don't think you have to go to extent of destroying property that belongs to school, the school, no, as well as your friend is saying, teachers say, one of the reports in Kwaka said even eduane kra na omudi wo honom kwa no omakosisa asay bibia. I don't think it is proper. But Ministry of Education, they have to go beyond your friend is saying nyankola ne ye no and dealt go into the issue properly. What is the responsibility of government? Did government fail the students? What is the responsibility of the management and staff? Have they failed the students? What is the responsibility of Nkwala Anonso? Because for some time now, just look at our secondary schools and the attitude of some of our students. The impunity and scam.
A trainer pro.
Do you expect Nanado to go to the classroom?
A tray is not Nanado. A tray every head be all baby. Wako judiciary, wako headmasters for, wako Badwam Mpensenpensemu for, wako a training in our proper. Why is there a pro? Uko bigger picture now. Controllers never was so system now. So in December. One typical example. If a government is supposed to take the necessary punitive measures against, even on one in the part, that government goes behind and defend that. Clearly, you give
I agree perfectly with it. Say, in every institution, obi or BB need to be dealt with. But we are talking about Nkofua. Ye jide wo mumu say dache. Wonsu baby and penny forward no say no. They are good to hold those positions. And we are saying that the attitude of students today in our various secondary schools, no, saying in a secondary school, Yakobida. This kind of attitude were not there. And then, what you mean who be more said, no more you're naked, nobody have video. Be more, they will jump. I mean, how do you blame your in performance of your results to a teacher? Meanwhile, no one your teacher is teaching you, no. Now who what your name for your friend is at school? Now be about what could that be my being changed? What weekend? What by your friend is a Sunday and number? Is of your other colleagues are more form books or motion and do you blame the teacher for it? So I control exams no one year and I say home boom teachers are on 1 year then the omudos. That's why I say let's check 5, 6, 7 years the performance of the students. Yen checking the year in that school. Yen will say yes. What the students are saying, no, it is true. Say teachers ne wo honom no embo mo homodin. And I yen kola no so ye wo honom so yes ye embo ye homodin. But when you put the blame on the teacher, say omo na mama ya pass it. Say you no make exams now.
Okay, so mama na say na me ma be ma ofusu hene pepra ren ana renchi amam from hene oba hema ofusu aboatima achime bo akwa nifa hema oba hema asiba opon wa agina oyoko hema of Sejimasi and achim edukrum ebusuapan kufi nyame opan kwame ofori ewura kwabna edu ene ebusua ne mba onyina de yawo esi we kai wo se nyame adma na ohwe wiye 1 week observation oba pen Florence abana chumuwa edu 98 years ne ba pen enso ka ho professor Dan
ye kame pa
akampa
kamera do ye me
Adom now say komedu me ne kwa sorry Emmanuel Presby
that's one is there no more kasa Sejimasi
ma me fa kwanye so na me ma won ya akwa na me ma bra ankama na eben
na me adon e be hia me da
oh yeah